The flow rate on applicator 3 is slightly high.
Adjusting the parameters now. The gap on the hood is within tolerance point 02.
Confirmed. The paint density scan is also clear across the front quarter.
Torque readings on the rear axle are fluctuating.
Ramping up the resistance now. Keep an eye on the thermal data.
All parameters are green on the tablet.
Confirmed. The physical inspection is complete.
All parameters clear on the manifest.
Confirmed. Seal the carrier.
Telemetry on the Busan shipment is fluctuating.
Yes, but the departure confirmation came through solid. We're clear.
24 are logged here.
Paint finish looks flawless on this batch. Let's move to the west wing.
The ETA on the blue unit just updated to 1400 hours.
Confirmed. The loading sequence is proceeding as scheduled.
Loading bay clear, and the main gate is secured. We are good to go.
Attention all personnel. Readiness confirmed for the next production cycle. Systems are synchronized and green across all sectors.
Based on these figures, we have alignment across all departments.
The logistics pipeline is ready. Quality has signed off.
Good work, everyone.
If we integrate the new gripper here, we reduce the cycle time by 12%.
Agreed. The simulation confirms the structural integrity.
As you can see, the CFD analysis confirms the drag coefficient.
Right, and the assembly sequence on the main line needs to reflect this change starting Q3.
Review complete. The finish